having a very hard time with FOMO, or fear of missing out, right now. Joann's is going out of business and there have been a ton of sales, but I just feel like I am missing out for some reason. And I don't want to feel that way. I also don't want to spend as much as I have been spending on scrapbooking supplies. So one thing that I think I'm going to start doing is a mystery box. Now, I don't typically like to buy mystery boxes. One, because I don't know if I'm actually going to like it. Two, they are sometimes a lot of money, although they are a good bargain most of the time. I just feel like I've been burned in the past with mystery boxes because I don't necessarily like the product, and I usually end up selling it for about the same amount of money that I purchased it. So it's just like a hit or miss kind of thing. So in the spirit of trying to save money and still get a mystery box thing, I went through and picked up random collections out of my stash. So I've got a 3x4 calyx unit that holds about 25 to 48 collections in one cube. I went through and I've got different categories of collections, and I counted each of the cubes and asked my device to pick a number between 1 and 27 or 1 and 48 or 1 and 25, that kind of thing. And I picked one collection from every category. Now, my categories that are in this order from top to bottom are January through July, August through December, color, so I just liked the color combo, theme, generic, boy theme, boy generic, girl theme, and girl generic. So I've got 9 different paper pads in here, and I thought it would be fun to pull one out and then scrapbook with it. So we are going to pull the first one out and take a look at what January through July wants me to make. Now, I might have to print photos. I might need to pull in other things from my stash in order to use it, but it's a surprise. I really did try to count, and then when I got to like the 2 numbers before, like say it was 12, I went to 10, closed my eyes, went to 11, and then 12, and pulled it out. So, first collection, I am looking away right now and closing my eyes, and I'm gonna close this back up because I don't want to know. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. Oh, this is a collection I picked up recently, so this is new. 2024, 5? Let's see. It says 2023 on it. But I got this from a recent Echo Park sale, and I'll link that video in the upper right-hand corner if you want to check that out. How I got like 4 or 5 different collections for under $25. Echo Park sales are where it's at. So I have Valentine's photos from this year that I still need to scrapbook, and this is going to be perfect for that. So, next video in this series will be to actually use this collection, and we'll see what the finished product is. Have you ever done something like this where you've pulled and made your own mystery box? I know I'm going to like everything in here because I've already purchased it, and that's what I'm most excited about. The second thing I'm most excited about is actually using the color section, because I have not pulled that in a very long time, and I have no idea what I'm going to be scrapbooking next. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Get to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.